Hello everyone, this is Rajesh Raju here. In today's video we will see how to create a Google Classroom. So Google Classroom is a learning management system. It's also called as an LMS, which is been widely used by all the teachers as well as students for easy management of the materials, lectures, videos and all those things which is related to your particular class. So to open a Google Classroom, one option is you can click on this Google App Cluster on the top right, the 9 dots here. Click on that and I scroll down, I get the Classroom icon. So this is one place where we can access Google Classroom. So I click on this, my Google Classroom page will get open. So this new user will get this particular message. This is one way to access Google Classroom, or another way is I can directly type classroom.google.com in my browser. So this also takes you to the same page, right? Okay, this Google Classroom can be created by using your personal Gmail account, or it can be created by using an institutional or an educational account. So we'll just see the difference between personal Google Classroom as well as an educational Google Classroom. It is also called as a G Suite Google Classroom. So there are different limits which are mentioned here. So a personal Google account classroom can have a maximum of 20 teachers and it can have a total members of 250. That is, a single classroom altogether can have 250 members including students and teachers, out of which we can have a maximum of 20. So it means that we can have one teacher and we can have 249 students, or we can have two teachers and 248 students, or the teachers count can be a maximum of 20, so remaining 230 students can be there in that particular classroom. The same way we see in the G Suite account, we can have a maximum of 1000 members in a single classroom, where the teachers limit is same, we can have a maximum of 20. So when we tell limit of teachers at 20, this is what you have to notice, that is, you can invite more than 20 teachers to a particular class, but the first 20 teachers who join the class will be able to access it, right? Next, being a person, I can join 1000 classes when we consider in the G Suite account. That is, I can be a student of, or including a student as well as teacher, I can access 1000 classrooms. But when we see about a personal Gmail account, we can have 100 as a maximum, and there also there's a limit, like I can only have access to 30 classes per day, or I can join only 30 classes per day. And when it comes to G Suite account, the classes which we can create, there is no limit, is unlimited. And using a personal account, I can create only 30 classes per day. And invitations which I can send is 500 per day per teacher for a G Suite account, whereas in the personal account it is 100 per day. And we can have guardians for each student, that is, we can assign maximum of 20 guardians to a particular student, that is mom, dad, like that we can go on adding up to 20 guardians for a particular student in a G Suite account, whereas that particular feature is not available in Google Classroom. The guardian feature is not available, and email address visibility also, that feature is not available in a normal personal, whereas in the G Suite account there is no limit for that. So coming back to the Google Classroom, we will start creating a classroom. So this is the first screen which a person will get if he or she has not created a Google Classroom. So I can see, I can select my email ID. So right now I have only one email ID which has been logged in, so I click on that. So if multiple emails have opened, all those you will get it here as a list. So I click on continue. So this is the home page of a Google Classroom. So if you have classes which are already created, all those classes will come as a folder or a tile here, better. So this is about opening a Google Classroom account. In the next videos we will see how to create a new class, or how to join a particular class as a student, and after creating a class, what and all other options are available. If you want to watch tutorials on a particular tool, kindly comment below. Also, if you want to watch all the videos on multiple tools available, kindly subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.